Hello, future educators. Welcome to Science General Education Review Part 1. In this video, we'll go through 15 multiple choice questions that commonly appear in the lead, complete with rationalizations to help you understand the concepts better. So now grab your pen and paper and let's test your science skills. Okay, number one, which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? Letter A, reproduction, letter B, growth, letter C, adaptation, or letter D, rusting. Alright, so the correct answer is letter D. Rusting is a chemical process affecting metals, which is not a trait of living things. So rusting is not a characteristic of living organism. So all letters A, B, and C are characteristic of living organisms. Let's start with reproduction. Reproduction is all about all living things reproduce. For growth, it is a key trait of organisms. And for adaptation, living organisms adapt to their environment and it's natural. So only letter D is the correct answer, not a characteristic. Number two, which planet is known as the red planet? Letter A, Venus, letter B, Mars, letter C, Jupiter, or letter D, Mercury. The correct answer is letter B, Mars. Mars has a reddish appearance due to iron oxide or rust. So that's what makes Mars known as the red planet. For letter A, Venus, Venus is known as Earth's twin due to size and composition. And for Jupiter, Jupiter is known as the largest planet. And for Mercury, Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. So the planet which is known as the red planet is Mars. Number three, what process converts light energy into chemical energy in plants? Letter A, respiration. Letter B, fermentation. Letter C, photosynthesis. Or letter D, transpiration. Alright, the correct answer is letter C, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. This occurs in the chloroplast using sunlight. So, photosynthesis is the process that converts light energy into chemical energy in plants. Let's discuss the other choices. Why are they incorrect? For respiration, this process converts chemical energy into usable energy. Respiration. For letter B, fermentation, this is anaerobic breakdown of glucose. And for transpiration, this is all about the loss of water vapor from plants. So letter C is the best answer. Number four, which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Letter A, oxygen. Letter B, carbon dioxide. Letter C, nitrogen. Or letter D, hydrogen. So the correct answer is letter C, nitrogen. Nitrogen composes 78% of our Earth's atmosphere. For oxygen, this makes up about 21%. Carbon dioxide is less than 1%. And hydrogen is very rare in Earth's atmosphere. So the correct answer is letter C. Number five, what type of energy is stored in food? Letter A, kinetic. Letter B, thermal. Letter C, electrical. Or letter D, chemical. The correct answer is letter D, chemical. Chemical, this is like for example, the food contains stored chemical energy released through digestion. So that's what makes it chemical energy. Again, the food contains stored chemical energy released through digestion. So for kinetic, this is all about energy of motion, thermal heat energy, and for electrical energy from electrons. So the type of energy stored in food is chemical energy. Number six, which form of heat transfer occurs through direct contact? Letter A, conduction, letter B, convection, letter C, radiation, or letter D, expansion. Alright, the correct answer is letter A, conduction. Conduction is a heat transfer via contact between molecules. For convection, letter B, this is all about heat transfer through fluid movement. For radiation, this is a transfer via electromagnetic waves. And for expansion, this is not a heat transfer method. So the heat transfer that occurs through direct contact is what we call conduction. Number seven, what causes the seasons on Earth? Letter A, distance from the sun. Letter B, Earth's rotation. Letter C, Earth's tilt and revolution. Or letter D, lunar phases. So the correct answer is letter C, Earth's tilt and revolution. So the eggshell tilt causes variation in sunlight. So that causes the seasons on Earth, the Earth tilt and revolution. For letter A, distance from the sun, this is incorrect since Earth is actually closest during northern winter. For letter B, Earth's rotation, this causes day and night. And for letter D, lunar phases, this is related to the moon, not seasons. So letter C is the best answer. Number 8, which part of the cell is responsible for controlling all cellular activities? Letter A, ribosomes, letter B, mitochondrion, letter C, nucleus, or letter D, cell wall. Alright, the correct answer is letter C. The nucleus control is known as the control center of the cell that holds DNA. Again, the correct answer is nucleus. This is responsible for controlling all cellular movement and this holds the DNA. For letter A, the ribosomes, this one synthesizes proteins, ribosomes. For mitochondrion, this produces energy called the ATP. And for the cell wall, this provides structure in plant cells, not to control it. So only letter C is the correct answer. Number 9, what is the smallest unit of matter? Letter A, atom, letter B, molecule, letter C, proton, or letter D, element. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, atom. This is the fundamental building block of matter. So this is why it is called the smallest unit of matter. For letter B, molecule, this is made of atoms. Again, molecules are made of atoms. For proton, this is a subatomic particle within an atom. Again, a subatomic particle within an atom. Element, this is a substance made of one kind of atom. So only letter A is the best answer. Number 10, what law explains why passengers lurch forward in a sudden stop? Letter A, Newton's first law. Letter B, Newton's second law. Letter C, Newton's third law. Or letter D, law of gravitation. The correct answer is letter A, Newton's first law. This is known as the law of inertia, which means objects resist change in motion. So letter A is the best answer. For the letter B, second law is all about force equals mass times the acceleration. For the third law, this is all about action reaction pairs, and for letter D, law of gravitation, about attraction between masses. So the best answer is letter A. Number 11, which type of rock is formed by cooling and solidifying molten material? Letter A, sedimentary, letter B, metamorphic, letter C, igneous, or letter D, fossils. Okay, the correct answer is letter C, igneous rock. So this is from magma or lava. So this is a type of rock that is formed by cooling and solidifying molten material from magma or lava. For sedimentary, this formed from sediments. For metamorphic, this is altered by heat and pressure. And for fossils, this is not a rock type, but this is the remains of living things. So letter C is the best answer. Number 12, which of the following is a non-metal? Letter A, sodium, letter B, oxygen, letter C, calcium, or letter D, iron. Alright, the correct answer is letter B, oxygen. Oxygen is a non-metal gas used in respiration. So all other choices, sodium, calcium, and iron are all metals with good conductivity. So only letter B is non-metal, oxygen. Number 13, which of the following best describes evaporation? Letter A, liquid changes to solid. Letter B, gas changes to liquid. Letter C, solid changes to gas. Or letter D, liquid changes to gas. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. Evaporation is from liquid that changes to gas. So this happens when the liquid becomes vapor. That is why we call evaporation. Letter D is the best answer. For letter A, liquid changes to solid. This is freezing. For letter B, gas changes to liquid. This is condensation. And for letter C, solid changes to gas. This is sublimation. So letter D, liquid changes to gas, is evaporation. Number 14, what subatomic particles are found in the nucleus of an atom? Letter A, protons and neutrons. Letter B, electrons and protons. Letter C, neutrons and electrons. Or letter D, electrons only. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, protons and neutrons. So both of these subatomic particles reside in the nucleus. So for letters B, C, and D, electrons orbit around the nucleus. Again, electrons orbit around the nucleus. So the subatomic particle that found in nucleus of an atom is only protons and neutrons. Number 15. What phenomenon causes a pencil in water to appear bent? Letter A, reflection. Letter B, refraction. Letter C, diffraction. Or letter D, absorption. Okay, then the correct answer is refraction. So refraction is all about bending of light as it appears from water to air. So that's what causes the pencil in water to appear bent. So refraction is the correct answer. Now let's discuss reflection. Reflection is bouncing of light. Letter C, diffraction. This is bending around corners. And for letter D, absorption, this is all about light energy taken in. So the correct answer is refraction. Awesome job, future LPDs. That wraps our part one of the Science General Education Review. So, how's your score this time? Comment your scores below and let us know what topics you want us to cover next. So, this is Teacher R saying study hard because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. See you in part two, future LPDs. Bye bye.